Hello there, Miss Jackie Russell here, and happy Mass Monday to you. And today we're going to use this egg essence mask sheet from South Korea. I received this in my Travai box, or my Truvel box, or my Tava box. I have learned that Truvelis has several different pronunciations, but anyways, I got this out of that travel box, and I guess I'll start calling it Truvel. That seems to be the French way to say it. So in America it's Truvel. So there's just so many different ones. But anyways, this is the egg mask that I got out of the South Korea box, and I'm going to try this out today. And we have another I won, so can you. Yep, that's right, we have another one, another opportunity to win. And this time I had won from Lori's Life. If you don't know Lori, you need to go over and check her out. She is a wonderful lady, has a great channel, and she unboxes all kinds of boxes, and she does collaborations, and she does Mass Monday. So she does a lot of things, and I believe on this particular winnings, she was doing a palette giveaway, and I think that's what I won, but we won't know for sure until I open it up. I've had it here for a couple of weeks, or a few weeks, and just now getting to it. But we're going to get this mask on, and I'm going to have egg all over my face, so to speak. But let's get this on. I really like the Korean mask. Korean beauty in general is just wonderful. I want to get this all around my eyes, but not in my eyes. Well, it doesn't want to fit right around my eyes, and I don't want that in my eyes. So it looks like that's going to be the best fit. I'm going to rub down some of this essence. Ooh, it's full of essence, I will tell you that. Got lots of egg essence in there. And this is, like I said, an egg. Enriches with egg yolk extract and various nutritive components to deliver abundant moisture and nourishment deep into your skin. Okay, well, I can use that. And I don't know that I've ever used an egg mask before, but here we go. But anyways, back to the I won, so can you. I received this package from Lori's Life, as I was telling you, and you do need to go and check her out, and I am going to have a giveaway. So I won, so can you. And in order to enter, you will have to use the secret code word that I come up with, and you will have to be subscribed publicly to Lori's Life and to Miss Jackie Russell in order to win. And we have a winner from last Monday, and I will let you know who that is. I will be announcing that winner in just a minute. From last week's I won, so can you, from Arlene. I had won her 500 subscriber giveaway, and this winning is from Lori. And I will tell you before we get into this, the winner of last week's I won, so can you is, little drum roll please, is Coraline. And she said, congratulations to the winner, and that was to the winner from last week. And she says, I found Arlene through a collab earlier this year. She's a fun one to watch. I like how she puts a question at the top of the screen. And she does do that, and she's a great person. If you don't know Arlene, you need to go over and check her out. And if you like her content, I would highly recommend you subscribing to Arlene. It's Unboxing with Arlene, and you will see the photo snapshot of the winner here. And you have 48 hours to contact me at missjackierussell@yahoo.com. And congratulations, Coraline. Let's give her a shout out of congratulations. Please congratulate her in the comments. Now, back to the I won, so can you. Alright guys, it was Lori's Life. She sent me this package, and I can't remember exactly what the giveaway was, but I can tell you that I believe it had something to do with a palette. It might have been a Mass Monday collab, and maybe, just maybe, her little note will tell us something about it. And this was a few weeks ago. Look at her little card. Isn't that cute? And then she's got, don't stop believing. And she says, thank you for supporting my channel, Lori's Life. So I still don't know for sure you know, what this winning was from. It may have been a Mass Monday collaboration that she had, because I do see, along with the palette, I see some masks. And then here she's got today's prayer. Isn't that so cute? I love that. And it says, "Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God." Matthew 5:8, and amen to that. Totally believe that. Thank you very much, Lori. Those are lovely cards. And like I said, I really, really appreciate you. This is great. And this is a nice little touch. Let's get into this package and see what we have won from her. Get it cut open here and pull everything out. I see a couple of masks. She's got it wrapped up really good. And like I was telling y'all earlier, you need to go over and see Lori. She's a great lady. She has a great channel, and she is shopping blindly. So when you go over there, you'll notice that she has a special machine that helps her read, and she shops blindly, literally. She has a little bit of help maybe from that machine, but she's definitely a very interesting person. She loves to travel. She shares her travels with you, and of course her unboxing and her Mass Monday. Now, what did I win from her? I won a Face Story Sunbae, which I love. Use that especially during the summertime. And I've got a ZC Orange VC Brightening. Yay, yay. I like me some vitamin C. Glow immediately. Gonna like that. Thank you very much, Lori. And then also I got some Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Mask. And this sounds very nice. Might put those on now, but I'll save it for another day. And then I won this palette. So let's take, ooh, it's an Ace Beauté palette. Falling for You. So this is a fall palette, and like I said, this is a few weeks ago, and I know we're going into winter right now, but she sent this to me in the fall. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It does have a mirror, but look at those colors. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my goodness. It's got orange and reds and pinks. It's got metallic, like glitter and flats. Oh, that's going to be fun to work with. I really like that, Lori. Thank you very much for sending me this eye palette. I really like those colors. Well, I really appreciate you, and like I said, I love her channel, and she's just a great lady. And our favorite color is pink, so I have on pink today in honor of Lori's favorite color too. So now we can get down to I won, so can you. And what are the rules? You've got to be 18 years or older, have an address within the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to Lori's Live and Miss Jackie Russell. You must use the word Lori, Lorrie, the way she spells her name, Lorrie, in the comments, and you will be entered into this giveaway. And what are you going to get? Well, one thing, let me tell you, YouTube and or any of the brands that I show are not affiliated with this giveaway in any way. I have purchased these or received them as gifts or in boxes. And if you are allergic or have sensitive skin, please test an area of your skin prior to using if you're not sure. And I'm not responsible if anything is broken, damaged, or lost by the U.S. Postal Service. So with that said, let's go on to the giveaway. Now, I will tell you this will last for 1 week. It'll close next Sunday on December 11th. And the winner will be announced on a Mass Monday. And I'll also put it in the community channel. And I'll also put a message to you on that video that you are the winner. What will you win? You're going to win a couple of masks. We've got the Face Story Velvet Moon, and this is a moisturizing cream mask. And then we have this new mask that I got from Stylevana. This is a snail honey gel mask. This is excellent, guys. I think whoever wins this will really love this mask. And you're going to get the Dawn Gazing palette, and this is from the Beauty Shop. And this is a beautiful palette. Let me show it to you. It's in its little box. It's all wrapped up. And you're going to win a palette too. And this one does not have a mirror. And it does have the color shield on there. And we'll peel that back so you can see. But look at those beautiful colors. You will win this palette with all those beautiful shades. And like I said, you got to use Lori, Lorrie, make sure you spell it correctly, to enter into this giveaway. And that is the giveaway for this one. And again, you must be publicly subscribed to both Miss Jackie Russell. Oh, hold on a second. Let me share something out of what Lori sent me. I'm going to send you the Sun Bay, one of my favorite Face Story masks. So you'll receive 3 masks and the facial palette. So that way we're sharing all the way around and giving back. And I just love to do that. And when I win, that's why I do these. I won. So can you, not only do you get a chance to win again, also the channels that I win from have an opportunity to grow their channels. So be sure and support these channels, or at least go check them out. And if they are your cup of tea, I would highly recommend that you subscribe to them, because this is a win-win and everyone gets a chance to share in the love, if you will. That is my Mask Monday as far as the giveaway. This mask feels excellent. It's been on for 15 minutes and it's time to take it off. Let's see how it did. I love the essence in it. It's done very well. And I always like to rub in the essence. And it's a nice moisturizing mask. I want to bring it all the way down. And guys, I just want to wish you all a happy Monday and a great week. I hope everybody's doing great and you've started your Christmas shopping. And be sure and check my descriptions for any other giveaways that may be currently going on. And those that have won recently, I'll be getting your packages out as soon as I can. And I do have a lot of things coming out in the next few days. So be sure and keep a lookout for everything. As for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.